Hey there gamers, and welcome back to another video. In this video today I want to talk to you about UGMON'S request. This quest is obtained via a poster in town, which can be normally got from a blackboard. I actually got this, funnily enough, from a board in St. Halias's. And for this quest, it starts off by basically requiring us to go and speak to UGMON, who is one of the merchants from the Goldleaf Merchant Guild. The guild itself is over here on Unicorn Cliff, and as you come in, all you need to do basically is seek him out. He's over here on the left hand side, and then he'll give us a chat dialogue. Then after the chat dialogue, he will give us a note that we then need to read. So go ahead and read that, and this will require us to go and find the beekeeper. The beekeeper can be found to the southwest of Unicorn Cliff, which is just down here, quite close to the town of Senya. Then when you get here, you're going to be looking for this person, which is the beekeeper. They are wearing a hood and robe. They do patrol about. Then we'll have a chat dialogue with them, and then after that, all we need to do then is go and hand in with UGMON. Now for the hand in itself, you actually need to come here to the Emberwind workshop. At least that's where he is on the map for me right now. You will actually find a copy of him back at Unicorn Cliff, but you are unable to hand in the quest. You must come to this area. It might very well be the case that he is patrolling, but if you track him in your quest log, you shouldn't have any issues, and then we can go and hand in for extra bag space and some meat. So it's actually UGMON's assistant that you want to hand in to, just here. Even though it says tell UGMON, it's his assistant you need to hand in to. And there we have it. We've now completed UGMON's request. Really hope that this video helped, guys. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.